Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace laptop RAM slot easy method. Power down, unplug, and remove the battery if possible. Keep screws organized in a tray. Open the case using the correct screwdriver and plastic pry tool, then locate the RAM modules and slot. Work in a well-lit area and avoid static by using an anti-static wrist strap or frequent grounding to protect components. Start by carefully releasing the retaining clips so the RAM tilts up, then remove the module by the edges without touching the gold contacts. Inspect the replacement RAM to confirm it matches speed and size requirements, and verify the slot for dust or damage. If the slot looks dirty, use compressed air with short bursts and hold the fan. Line up the notch correctly and insert the new module at the same angle. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more handy guides. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for relaxed reading during tech breaks, with a glare-free display and long battery life making it ideal between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if it sounds useful, and now let's get back to the video. Seat the RAM module into the slot with its notch aligned. Press down evenly until the clips snap into place and it lies flat. Reattach the case, reinstall the battery, and reconnect power before booting to BIOS to confirm the new memory is detected. If it does not appear, recheck seating and compatibility. Reseat the module if needed. Once recognized, boot to your operating system and run a basic memory test to ensure stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.